Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by making the device update ready. Plug in the charger if battery is below 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, free at least 5 GB of storage by removing large apps or moving photos to cloud backup. This prevents installation errors. Make a quick full backup to your Google account or a PC so you can restore settings. Then open Settings, navigate to System Update, and tap Check for Update to start the download process. You'll see the Android 14 OTA downloading with a progress percentage and estimated time remaining. Let it complete without interrupting Wi-Fi or power. When the download finishes, the system may verify the package to ensure integrity. Allow that check to finish. If offered, choose Install Now or Schedule for overnight. Scheduling prevents disruption. During installation, your phone will reboot into recovery and apply the update. Do not power off. After the reboot, the system performs optimizations, which can take several minutes. After the reboot, you'll step through setup prompts to reauthorize privacy settings and new permissions. Follow the on-screen tour to learn key Android 14 features. Next, open Play Store and update all apps so they're compatible. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall. If you encounter a boot loop or persistent errors, try booting into safe mode to isolate apps. If that fails, perform a factory reset only after restoring your backup. That single troubleshooting tip often results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.